Outdoor installations demand solutions that are not only durable, but also versatile. Introducing DYNA's exterior modified bonding mortar installation system, the advanced solution for heavy tile applications in outdoor environments. Designed specifically for porcelain pavers, natural stone, pool coping, and thin veneers, this system improves the traditional mortar bed process, offering superior strength and performance where it's needed most. At the heart of this system is DYNAFLEX, a high-performance, one-step polymer-modified thin-set mortar. Engineered for both vertical and horizontal installations, it offers exceptional adhesion, long open time, and high resistance to sag and slip. With its fiber reinforcement and thixotropic nature, DYNAFLEX ensures precise placement for large format tiles, reducing the risk of movement during installation, even in vertical applications. Paired with DYNAFLEX is DYNACOLOR 2000, a premium sanded polymer modified tile grout. With a broad range of colors available, this grout enhances the aesthetics of your outdoor space while ensuring high durability and long-lasting performance. Together, DYNAFLEX and DYNACOLOR form the core of our exterior modified bonding mortar installation system, delivering not only superior compressive strength, but also flexibility, making it perfect for patios, pools, and driveways. DYNA's exterior modified bonding mortar installation system for a stronger, longer-lasting, and seamless installation. Build with confidence, build with DYNA.